Insomnia is torture. You're exhausted, but your mind won't shut off. You wake up in the middle of the night and can't fall back asleep. Sound familiar? In this video, I'll reveal the real reason why you're waking up at night, and more importantly, how to fix it. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to sleep better and wake up feeling refreshed. Let's dive in. Part 2. Why sleep is so important. Sleep isn't just about resting. It's when your body repairs itself. Your brain processes memories, and your energy levels reset. Poor sleep can lead to weight gain, mood swings, and even serious health issues, like heart disease. But before we fix your sleep, we need to find out what's causing the problem. Part 3. The real reasons you're waking up at night. There are a few common reasons why people wake up in the middle of the night. Let's break them down. Stress and anxiety. Your mind is racing, keeping you awake. Blood sugar drops. You wake up hungry or restless. Hormonal imbalance. Cortisol spikes or melatonin dips. Poor sleep environment. Noise, light, or temperature issues. Bad bedtime habits. Caffeine, late night scrolling, or heavy meals. Sound familiar? Now let's talk about how to fix it. Part 4. Fix in a 1. Manage stress before bed. Stress is one of the biggest sleep killers. To calm your mind, try journaling. Write down your thoughts before bed. Deep breathing. Try the 4-7-8 method. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. Screen-free time. Avoid screens at least an hour before sleep. Your mind needs time to unwind. Give it that time, and you'll sleep much better. Part 5. Fix number 2. Balance your blood sugar. Waking up in the middle of the night. It could be your blood sugar dropping too low. Eat a light protein-rich snack before bed, like nuts or yogurt. Avoid high sugar foods before bedtime. Try herbal teas, like chamomile or cinnamon tea. A balanced meal can keep your blood sugar steady and help you sleep through the night. Part 6. Fix number 3. Optimize your sleep environment. Your sleep space matters more than you think. Make it dark. Use blackout curtains or a sleep mask. Cool it down. Set your room temperature between 60 to 67 degrees, 16 to 19 degrees Celsius. Use white noise. Block out distractions with a fan or noise machine. Simple changes can transform your sleep quality. Part 7. Fix number 4. Stick to a sleep schedule. Your body loves routine. To fix your sleep cycle, go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Get morning sunlight to regulate your circadian rhythm. Avoid naps longer than 20 minutes during the day. Consistency is key. The more you stick to a schedule, the better you'll sleep. Part 8. Fix number 5. Avoid late night stimulants. Narrator. You. What you eat and drink before bed can ruin your sleep. No caffeine at least 6 hours before bed. Skip alcohol. It disrupts deep sleep. Avoid heavy meals late at night. Swap your late night coffee for chamomile tea and you'll sleep much better. Part 9. Final sleep routine for better sleep. You. Let's put it all together. PM. Limit screens and dim the lights. 9:00 PM. Drink herbal tea and relax. Share this video with someone who needs better sleep.